Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. This is about English lesson about hortatory exposition. We talk about the detail agriculture. This text has a goal to proceed should or should not, membujuk peserta seharusnya atau tidak seharusnya. The structure of text, thesis arguments, and then recommendation. Okay, this is about agriculture. Nowadays, many people have realized that agriculture is much more important than as the supporting tools in economic development. In Indonesia, agriculture should be the priority of development because of some good reasons. First of all, the agriculture's contribution in the beginning of the development is highest among the other sectors. At present, almost half total Indonesian laborers are working in the agricultural sector. But the contribution of the agriculture sector doesn't reach 30%. Second, agriculture sector is expected to fulfill the need of food in a country as the number of population increase in an alarming rate each year. Food supply must also increase, but in developing countries, food production and agricultural production per capita never increase more than 1% each year, and in some extreme cases it even stagnant. Last but not least, without agricultural development, the growth of industrial sector will be hampered because the growth that comes from industry will bring a wider gap into the internal economy in that country. In turn, this gap will create serious poverty problem, whether inequality of income distribution and increase in unemployment. Based on the above discussion, it is obvious that the government should put agriculture as the priority of national development. Pertanian yang ada di negara kita, Indonesia, sangat vital peranannya dalam membangun sektor pertumbuhan ekonomi negara kita. Indonesia memiliki banyak sekali lahan untuk pertanian. Saat ini banyak orang menyadari bahwa pertanian lebih penting dibanding dengan pembangunan di sektor-sektor yang lain. Di sektor ekonomi yang lain ada industri dan lainnya masih tetap penting dalam hal sektor pertanian. Kita menyadari bahwa di Indonesia ini pertanian harus menjadi hal yang sangat dominan dan sesuatu yang harus ditingkatkan. Makanya kita harus menyadari kemampuan itu untuk meningkatkan pendapatan ekonomi kita, pendapatan negara kita yaitu Indonesia dengan sektor pertanian. Sektor pertanian ini sangat berkontribusi untuk pengembangan dan peningkatan pendapatan per kapita. Saat ini hampir separuh dari pekerja yang ada di negara kita, negara Indonesia, yaitu sektor pertanian. Namun kita lihat untuk kontribusinya saat ini belum mencapai sekitar 30%. Sehingga dari banyaknya pekerja yang menggeluti bidang pertanian harusnya mampu meningkatkan pendapatan di sektor pertanian. Oke. Kemudian kita akan berlatih untuk kosakata. This is a vocabulary. Please practice translate into English from the text number 1 until number 10. Okay, thank you very much everybody. Thanks for watching and good luck. Thank you.